So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set the Google Calendar as default calendar on your iPhone. Now in order to do it, first of all make sure you have the Gmail app downloaded on your iPhone. You can easily get that on the App Store. Simply download and update the Gmail app. Now simply open the Gmail right there on your iPhone, and once you do that, click on the three lines on the left top corner. Once you do that, scroll down and go to the settings. Here in the settings you need to scroll down until you see this option of default apps. Simply click over there and scroll down until you see this option of calendar and turn this option off. And here you have seen that currently the default calendar is selected. Now simply hit Google Calendar. It will get downloaded from the App Store and it will set as default calendar on your iPhone. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.